Hi, this is Pat Devlin with the Fran Campbell team at RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks. I'm over here at Aqua condos. I have an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,450 square foot poolside condo. Follow me. Aquafin is located conveniently to H-Toes and Shady Gators. Literally walk across the street and you're right there. It's not often you find a poolside condo where you can literally walk right out your back patio and be in the pool in 15 steps. If you'd like to see this lovely condo or get some additional information on it, give us a call at the Fran Campbell team at RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks.